steamy and you need something cool you off. And I have the perfect drink because it's all about beaches, barbecues, pools, boats, you know, anything to pretty much do with water. That's where you're gonna be. And this drink can go everywhere with you all day long. We are going to make a vodka lemonade fizzy. Now I know you're probably going, hey, Ruby, it's vodka and lemonade. What's the big deal? This one has a little added twist that you're gonna love. So I've got my glass and the ice ball just to make sure things are super cool and our drink doesn't get watered down. That's my preference. It evenly melts and keeps it chilled. So take a shot at vodka. I actually like Monopolova because it is a potato vodka and it's kind of dry like gin, because that's how I like my vodka, a little dry. And I want it stout so that I know I am actually getting a full solid drink. But that's just my personal preference. Vodka is pretty neutral, use yours of choice. And then we are going to do half and half of your lemonade of choice and tonic water. That's the added fizzy. So just pour half of the lemonade in there to the cup. There we go. And then we are going to take our tonic and add it. And I love that sound. I love a good fizz. This is actually my favorite time, summertime drink, because I can literally, I better watch myself pouring because otherwise I will overflow it and it will be all over the place. So I found this out because I was spending a lot of time at the lake and on boats, and I wanted something that was really easy to drink all day and I wouldn't get just totally schnockered. And this puppy is what we came up with. I love it, so I hope you do too, because it makes you feel all tingly inside in all the right places. So I've got it here, just stir it up. I like to use my finger because, you know, you always have a finger around. So that's how I do it. Besides, it adds a little sweetness to your drink. What I like to do is add a little bit of pizzazz to it. So I actually have zested lemon rind and I just sprinkle a little bit on top and it works perfect. Adds a little bit of extra lemon. It also adds some color to it as well. So it's a little bit like an infused drink too. What do you say we taste it? Because this is fantastic. Cheers. Oh my gosh. It is cool, it is refreshing. It is the perfect amount of just kind of that alcohol punch. The lemonade, seriously, you're parched, reach for this. This is gonna take care of it. And then the bubblies and the fizz of the tonic, I love it. I love it, and I hope you do too. Oh, this tastes like summer in a glass. Right here. And every time I drink it, I think of nothing but bikinis and water, because that's where I would like to be. Come on, let's go. Let's go to the beach. Let's bring our drinks with us too. I hope you do love this. I love you.